So we just got our harvest right freeze dryer yesterday, and we did all of its preparation testing and getting it all set up, and we did our first bread run, which is part of the setup process. And they said you're supposed to wash this to make sure it's clean, and I was so excited I didn't do that. So now that the bread run is clean and we're going to be using it today, I wanted to get this thing washed, and I'm just using warm soapy water, and I'm not really getting it on the underside. I'll show you why in a second, but I want to make sure it's good and clean. But on the underside, oh, well, I guess I'm going to be able to get out of that. I didn't want to get this side too wet, but I don't guess it matters. It's going to dry. It's going to take longer. But it's got that seam in it, and that's what seals it to the machine. And I just used Dawn Power Wash. I was going to use Dawn, but I grabbed the Power Wash because I thought it'd be easier. It foamed faster. So we're going to let this set and dry, and then before we use the machine, we'll wipe it off real good and ensure that it's ready to go. But it had some dust and fingerprints on it, so that's why I washed it this morning instead of yesterday. These are the cutting boards that we used for cutting our bananas that are in our closer dehydrator, and we've got 5 trays, 4 of which are straight bananas, and then one of them is coated with a blend of cinnamon and sugar, so we can see if that maybe makes it a better treat or for us to eat. Maybe put in banana bread, I don't know, but also for my grandson to eat as treats when he comes over, so we don't have to run to the store and buy stuff. Because multi-purpose food is good to have. Meaning we can use it for us and for him or for whoever or whatever. But why should we buy it if we have it and we don't ever eat all of our fruit? So having a dehydrator allows us to extend the life of what we do buy. And maybe even share it, with somebody else in the family that needs it, that doesn't have it. So for sure, that means we'll always have bananas whenever we need them. And when we get to freeze drying them, the hopes is they will reconstitute very well. And if they do, then that's how we're going to do the majority of what we're doing. Apple chips and things are good. And as Tucker gets into school activities or whatever, they'll be great snacks. But I'm going to be honest with you, I don't go around snacking on dried fruit. So I don't know that's going to be an everyday thing. I probably could and should eat fruit instead of what I've been eating. Help me lose weight and get in shape, live a healthier lifestyle, whatever. So I just wanted to add this to the footage because I promised you we'd show you all the things we had to go through to get it set up, and this was the one step that we hadn't done yet, so now we've got it and we'll be able to cut it into the footage. So maybe it'll be a voiceover, I don't know, or maybe it'll be a separate video. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.